So now let's access Java compiler from CMD. Just type javac and press enter. If this is shown, then Java compiler is not properly set in the system despite successful JDK installation. So let's fix this. Go to JDK installation directory. Open bin folder, right click any one of the files and click properties. Copy this location. Now open system. Click advanced system settings and click environment variables. Here, if there is no path variable name, then click new. Give variable name as path, and for variable value, just paste what we have copied and click OK. I already have path variable name, so in such case, just click edit. Now at the end, just give semicolon and paste what we have copied earlier and click OK. Now again, let's access Java compiler from CMD. Type javac and press enter. Okay guys, now you are able to write Java program